Hello, dear students. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Basuraj Bijay, your English teacher. All of you know that coronavirus is spreading all over the world. Because of that, we are not able to allow you to come to the school. So, this is very necessary to teach you as video lessons. So, dear students, today I am going to take class for 9th standard English, first chapter, that is the fun they had. Before that, I would like to know you that the title of the lesson, the fun they had. What do you mean by fun? The happiness, the joy they had. Who had? In this lesson, someone had the type of fun, the different happiness. What is that? They had. It means it is in past, but the lesson is in future tense. Okay, let me start. Before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. So in this lesson, the story is about future, not present, not past. It is about future. When the books and the schools we have right now, we are going to school, we are reading books, we are writing homeworks, and some other things we are doing every day. But in this lesson, it takes place when the books and schools and teachers are not exist, are not available. What is that? Let's discuss. How, if in case there is no school, there is no books, there is no teacher, then how a student can learn, how it can study? Is it interesting? No? Yeah. Let us start the lesson. Here some diagrams are there. It gives you some ideas about that. What if there is no teacher, if there is no school, if there is no textbooks, if there is no coming to the school and going to the home, like a school bus, friends, nothing are there. Simply here you can see that learning through computers, this is now happening. So if we want some information, we are going through the internet. This is, we can learn alone without any help of teacher, any guide. We can go to the internet in Chrome, and we can search whatever we want the informations. And virtual classroom, what is the meaning of virtual classroom? Virtual classroom is nothing but the appearance of the room is set as school. It means the pictures, the drawings, the writings, the information about the lessons and pictures and portraits are pasted on the wall around the students, where the students goes to learn in the room. And robotic teacher, what do you mean by robotic teacher? Robotic teacher means a machine works as a teacher. What is the work of teacher? He is going to teach you the lessons, is it not? The work of teacher, the machine is going to do that. And then moving e-text, what is the meaning of moving e-text? Is nothing but the text is moving on the monitor of the computer. We can read through the computer and we have to understand that concept. So these are the what is that future schools of the future, we may call that. In okay, next here is a two characters are there. Let me give you the introduction about the characters of the lesson. Margie, Margie. Margie is a girl, is one character, and Tommy is another one character. So the lesson begins with Margie. What she is doing? What is the concept of the lesson? It's very interesting. Let's go. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 7th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." See, did you observe this? Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Margie have the habit of writing diary at night. On the page headed, the heading of the page is the date 17th May 2157. We are now present in 2020 now. This is the lessons takes place 150 years after, in future. So she wrote one line that is, "Today Tommy found a real book," with exclamatory mark. What it shows? She surprised about to Tommy found a book, real book. It means what? She didn't see a real book. She didn't study a real book. So she got exclaimed about that. She exclaimed about that, and it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on a paper. I repeat, she's looking that it was very old book. What Tommy found, no, that is very old book. Margie's grandfather, Margie's grandfather once said that, once he told to Margie that he was a little boy. When he was a little boy, his grandfather, Margie's grandfather's grandfather, told him that there was a time, that is when all stories were printed on a paper. But at the time of Margie, there is no book, there is no textbook. She always using to read, write, study through computer, through digital medias. And they turned the pages. They found the book and turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. It means what? They found a book. Tommy and Margie found a book and they turned the pages of the book. But they were bored too. They got bored about to read the words one by one. And the same words repeated the next page, in the next pages. But in the computer, what the Margie is going to read, there is no like that, no, there is no pages, there is no turning. Just by clicking she can move to the next page. So like that they were exclaimed. And "Gee," said Tommy. Gee means what here? It is an exclaiming word. Okay, surprising word. What it is like that? What a waste when you are through with this book, with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. See what he says. What a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. What he says? Tommy says to Tommy told Margie that you are throwed this book. I guess our television screen must have had million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. What it means? Your computer may have thousands of books, but this book is better than those thousand books. It had the same word. Sorry, I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy says that I wouldn't throw it. I will keep with me myself, and I will read this book. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Because Margie is 11-year-old girl. Tommy is 13-year-old boy. She didn't see the telebooks. What do you mean by telebooks? Is the books which comes on the screen of computer. Telebooks. So she didn't see as much as Tommy see the telebooks. Like she said, "Where did you find it?" He replied, "In my house." He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Attic means a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. He found the book in a storeroom. He just showed his hand toward that showroom, and he was not looking towards the room because he is busy in his reading the book. What's it about? Margie asked. What's it about? Okay. He replied, School. The matter in the book is printed about the school. Margie was scornful. Scornful means she was showing you think something is worthless. This is not useful. About what is school? She have no concept of school. Just what she know that going to the virtual classroom and watching the uh, TV screen and learning. That's it. School? What there is? What's there to write about school? I hate school. What is there to write about school? I hate schools because what is there? There is no existence of school, no, at the time of Margie. So she don't know that what is school. So she asking like that. Margie always hated school. She always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Now, when Tommy speaking about the school, no, at the time she hated more than before. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. So, what is that? The computer, the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. The computer always usually gives test of one by one. If you answered for one question, it gives another one question. Teacher is not like that. Okay, real teacher is not like that. Computer teacher is more different than the manly teacher. Or okay, the teacher like like us, no? And then The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. She is not doing good in the tests until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully. Her mother, Margie's mother, was not happy about her child's performance, so she shaken her head, sent for country inspector. Country inspector means the mechanic which the computer mechanic, like that, country inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with the dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. What's there in the paragraph 4 is, he was the appearance of the mechanic of the computer. Okay, the country inspector, the appearance of country inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He was a round faced man, little man. He smiled at Margie and gave an apple to her. Then took the teacher apart. He took the machine apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. What she thought that the mechanic is not wouldn't know that how to make it correct again. But he knew how, all right. And after an hour or so, but he is expert in his work, he made it. He recorrected the machine again. There it was again, large and black and ugly. In this line, she is comparing the computer to that large, black and ugly. It looking as ugly one to Margie, because she hated, because again and again it giving the test, the questions, the lessons. It's not giving time to rest. So she is going to hate the computer, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. The big screen, the questions are coming one by one, and the explanation is coming one by one. So like that, that wasn't so bad. The part Margie had hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. Before starting a class, she have to submit the homework to the computer, and then after that the computer starts the next lesson. So like that, they set it. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn. She was started to learn when she was in 6 years. So he said, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. It means what? She suffered, or she took some time to calculate the mathematics and write the answers, but the computer took no time. It calculated everything in a fraction of second. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. In paragraph 5, that is, the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He was smiled because he done his job. He said to her mother, to Margie's mother, that is, it's not the little girl's fault. She is learning, doing well. This is the fault of the machine. Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is the name of Margie's mother. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Geared means adjusted to a particular standard or level. In bike we have gears, no, like that. First gear it goes slow. In second gear it goes more speed. Like that, it gear like that in coming slow. So I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. It set it as too quick, so he made it as slow now. Those things happen sometimes. It happens sometimes. No, when sometime our computer or mobiles are going to hang, no, like that. It happens. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. He set it as 10-year levels girls mindset, like that. Happens sometime. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. What he says, actually the overall pattern of her progress is satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. Then Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because history sector had blanked out completely. Maggie was disappointed because he recorrected the machine. The mechanic recorrected the machine. That's why she got disappointed, because what she had in his mind, in her mind, that is, she had been hoping. What she hoped, that is, they would take the teacher away altogether. What she thought, that mechanic may take my teacher with him. I may be free for a month, like that. They had once taken Tommy's teacher. And the Tommy's computer, once the mechanic got with him for 1 month, far away for nearly a month, because the history sector had blanked out completely. So like that, my computer may go with the mechanic, she thought, but it is not like that. He recorrected the computer, and he gave back to her. She was disappointed for that. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So in the disappointment, she asking to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school? Why they are written about school?" I got this idea in my mind. What is the school? School is like that. School is like this. Teacher is like that. What about the school? She didn't know what is the school. She is always used to learn through computer, in virtual classroom, robotic teacher, like that. So she have no idea about the school. At the time, she asked, "Why would anyone write about school?" so she have confusion in her mind. So totally, in these 5 paragraphs, Margie is a girl who is going to study through computer only. She have no idea about schools, but at the time Tommy found a real book. It was exclaimed her because she didn't know what is the textbook or the word, the homework, the school. So like that, she surprised about that. And then at the time, the geography sector was too quick in her computer. So what she thought, her mother got it to the mechanic and he recorrected that. So she disappointed because if the mechanic got it for a month, I may be free for a month now, like that. Okay, let us continue in the next class. Dear students, I hope you understand, read or watch the video once or twice to better understand. Thank you.